The world today is filled with so much talk. Our mind's chatter is often so loud that it drowns out the knowledge we hold within ourselves. It seems we have forgotten how to listen. Animals teach us just this: to breathe, to listen, and to become aware of who we are, what we feel, and where we are heading, by trusting and believing with faith over fear. I aim to encourage you to listen to your animal's needs by connecting, feeling, and healing from the heart and soul, and not just the head. Then we will follow our intuition by feeling where the body needs us to go. And that is when we will dance. All of this will amplify your understanding of how it is that our animals speak to us. For more information, go to my website www.authenticawakening.co.za. Love and light, Milyn.